So hello and welcome to my channel. Today is story number 5. So without further ado, let's jump into the story. Once there was a boy who lived on outskirts of the forest. He used to take herd the sheep across the fields to the lawns for feeding them. So one day he was quite feeling boring and he wanted to have some fun. So he cried out loud, "Wolf, wolf." Suddenly all the farmers working on the field came to him and they found nothing was there. They were very upset and went back to their field for again work. Boy has done this trick a lot of times in like 3 or 4 days. But it was other day he was quite singing a song and just sitting beside the heart of the sheep, and suddenly the wolf came and just take away a lamb. That day he was shouted like wolf, wolf, but nobody came to him. So moral of the story is lying break trust. Nobody trusts a liar, even if he is telling the truth. So that was for today's story. I hope you liked this story. If you did, make sure you share and subscribe this channel. Till then, thank you.